Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm unboxing my February griddle. I went ahead and gave my other griddle to my daughter, and if you want to see what I'm cooking, stay tuned. I'm going to be cooking some shrimp for my husband because I do not eat seafood, so I'm going to be cooking it for him. To my channel, this Let's Gather with Mrs Vee. How's everybody doing? Yes, I'm in a good mood today, so I want to share how I cook this shrimp on this griddle for my husband. I'm warming the griddle up now, and I got my shrimp over in the sink. I just washed it off, so that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video. So I'll start out with some butter. Of course, I'm gonna let it melt. This is my first time cooking shrimp, so y'all stay with me. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. My channel focuses on budget friendly content, and right now I'm sharing a lot of cooking videos since we are practicing this social distancing. So I'm cooking more because my husband and I used to eat out a lot. So I've decided to start cooking some of the foods that we love at the restaurant. So we used to always go to this restaurant called Sticks, this hibachi grill, and I used to watch them, how they cook. And I said one day I'm going to start saving that money and cook our own food. So that's what I'm doing right here. So I'm cooking this shrimp, trying to separate them all. So I'm going to add a little more butter. And of course my good old soy sauce. So as I was stating, this is a budget friendly channel. If you enjoy budget friendly content, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. And tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. I try to put out content that is relevant now and will be relevant in the future. So I'm having to get used to this griddle. So it's okay. You know, it's not like my older griddle. I guess I had gotten used to it. So now that my shrimp is halfway done, I think. Look, I think I'm gonna go ahead and add a little teriyaki sauce. I picked that teriyaki sauce up from the Dollar Tree, if you're interested. And so I'm doing just like they used to do at the hibachi grill. Mix them all together in one little pile. And now I'm not a chef or anything, so I may be doing some things that you may not be accustomed to, but this is how I'm sharing how I cook shrimp. Oh yeah, come back here, shrimp. Yeah, my counter is clean, so I'm gonna put that shrimp right back on that griddle, because you know we're on a budget over here on this channel. We're not wasting any food and trying not to waste any money. So I just kind of look at the shrimp and see if it's tender on both sides. And then before I take it off the griddle, I'll get my husband to come in and try one. Well, he actually tried about 3, and he'll let me know if they're ready to come off. So I just wanted to share this little recipe with you. So they used to always squeeze a lemon. I don't have a lemon, so I'm gonna use some lemon juice. It's about I'll say about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice right before I take them off the griddle. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. My husband said the shrimp was delicious, and he normally would tell me the truth about my food. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. And if you cook shrimp, let me know in the comment section how you cook yours. Give me some more tips. Vegetables, I have a video that I did previously showing how I cook my mixed vegetable. I'll link that video. And some lo mein noodles and some New York strip steaks. So this is what we're having for dinner.